Reinvent the look of your 1991 to 1994 Toyota Land Cruiser and improve night driving with new headlights from Anzo USA. Installation is simple and only takes a couple of hours. These are the hand tools you'll need. Begin by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Locate and remove the 2 Phillips head screws on the top of the radiator grille. Remove the 2 screws on the lower outside section of the grille. Remove the Phillips screws that secure the lower valance to the grille. Push down on the tab in the middle of the grille to release the grille from the vehicle. Store the grille in a safe place to be reinstalled later. Remove the screws securing the corner lamp. Remove the corner lamp and set it aside to be reinstalled later. Locate the 4 10mm bolts on the top and bottom side of the headlight and remove them. Once the headlight bolts are out, you may remove the headlight from the vehicle and disconnect the factory harness from the back side. Now you're ready to install your new Anzo headlights. Locate your vehicle's parking light power wire and splice the red wire on your new Anzo headlight onto the parking light power wire. Locate the parking light ground wire and splice the other red wire of your new Anzo headlight onto the ground wire. Once these wires are spliced, you may plug the headlight into your vehicle's factory harness and install the headlight by following the previous removal instructions in reverse. Repeat the previous steps on the opposite side of the vehicle and reinstall the factory parts by following the instructions in reverse. Check the function of your new Anzo headlights once they're both installed. Before driving your vehicle on the road, aim your new Anzo headlights using your factory manual, or watch our video titled Aiming Your Anzo Headlights. Don't get left in the dark. Visit AnzoUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.